Hello and welcome to Section 4, Automating Deployment of Docker Hosts. In the previous section, we built a Docker Swarm cluster to improve our production setup. In this section, we will be talking about provisioning Docker hosts. We will use the configuration management software Chef to install Docker on our Linux machines. We will do this automation setup in the following steps. First, we will sign up for a hosted Chef account. Next, we will create what we call a Chef cookbook to install and start the Docker engine. And finally, we will extend this Chef cookbook to build Docker Swarm. Here we are in the first video, sign up for hosted Chef. In this video, we will set up our hosted Chef account. Our account will host the various information needed to configure multiple Docker hosts. First, we will sign up for a hosted Chef account. Next, we will download setup files from our hosted Chef account. And finally, we will install the Chef development kit. The Docker engine has various configuration parameters that we may need to tune in order to optimize its performance for our container applications. We need to be able to track and propagate the settings we made to all worker nodes in our Docker Swarm cluster. By using configuration management software like Chef, we can automate the build and setup of our Docker Swarm cluster. To begin, we will first register for a hosted Chef account. The URL for signing up is at manage.chef.io. Now that we finish our registration, we will receive a verification link from our email. Here we are in the verification link that we received from our email earlier. The hosted Chef service is now asking for a password to finish our registration. We are now logged in with our hosted Chef account. The service is now asking us to create an organization. An organization is simply a way to group access to our hosted Chef service. Let us now create an organization for our course. We are now finished with the registration for our hosted Chef account. Now, let us download the starter kit. We will use this in the next video to jumpstart our automatic configuration for Docker hosts. The next step is to download the Chef development kit. It contains all the Chef-related software that we need to use in order to configure our Docker hosts with Chef. To download ChefDK, we simply go to downloads.chef.io/chefdk. Next, we will download the software related to our platform. We will select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 as we will be using our development environment to write Chef cookbooks. Here we are inside our development environment. As we can see, we have here the downloaded ChefDK. Let us now type the rpm command to install ChefDK. As we can see, we have successfully installed the Chef development kit in our development environment.